Hey folks, Troy Dooley, the Beachside CEO. I want to hone in right now on a company called iMarketsLive. You guys have heard me talk about these guys a little bit last year. We took these guys on as clients. Christopher Terry called me and said, Troy, I would like to have you work with us, have you help us make sure that the communication that we're sending out publicly is within the compliance guidelines and the regulatory guidelines that we have today, and it's been phenomenal. Matter of fact, my hat is off to him, because last year iMarketsLive went through, I would say, a metamorphosis. A lot of times when a company will launch, when a person says, look, I want to use the direct selling sales model to launch, the message can get skewed up front. All of a sudden, instead of it being about products and services and customers, it's about the income opportunity. We watched iMarketsLive because Christopher Terry had just exploded onto the scene with this company. And some of the people that were in the company, I was very cautious of. We had seen them jump into other companies and hurt the actual DNA of the culture that the founders were trying to create. Christopher called one of the leading law firms, got on the phone with the attorney, Spencer Reese, and started sharing his vision with Spencer. Spencer looked at this, his partners looked at this, and they said, you know, Christopher, you've got an awesome idea. It definitely looks like you understand your services, but we need to tweak your whole business model. And literally, unlike so many out there who would balk at a law firm telling them they needed to change, at a consultant, at a compliance consultant telling them they need to change, Christopher said, whatever it takes to make our company sound, to give us the opportunity to become an iconic brand, to grow, to become the leader in the Forex and equity trading education services. That's what we want to do. And they made the change. They became a customer-centric, customer-focused company. He went to work. Matter of fact, he would text me literally in the middle of the night, early morning, saying, Troy, I want you to check out my newest platform, my newest app. One of them that he sent to me early on was his Harmonic trading platform. I got to study that. Well, I think we can put up a vid. Can we put up the piece that we did on Christopher? Great.
Who, what, where, why, and how. You're taking an expert trader, somebody who's successful, is now teaching you every single day. We have two different guys. Maybe you don't like one, you like the other. Maybe you like both of them. Yeah. But the fact is, what other company out there has, you take 5 days, 3, 4, 15, 20 hours a week of education? That's amazing.
That's important.
So that's, Troy Dooley says, the first one, I don't want to learn, you put your money to work. Troy Dooley number 2 says, yes, I want to learn. Troy Dooley number 3 says, I don't want to sit in class. I don't want to get done for me. Just show me what to do. That's where our harmonic scandal, this right here.
Right there it comes in.
So you have to take a little bit of education. We have some videos. And this actually marks turning points in the market. It's a highly, highly profitable, successful model. This thing is phenomenal. It's gone viral.
Now I've heard you in interviews and videos talk about the harmonic. Give a little bit about that. Where did that come from?
The harmonics came in the 90s. There was a gentleman, Larry Presavento. Okay. Larry Presavento found in a book from a gentleman, H.M. Gartley, that was written 60 years ago.
Wow.
And in the page 222, H.M. Gartley explained a particular trading method, with just a little pattern. Okay. Larry had discovered that and spoke about it at what they call the Market Technicians Association back in the mid-90s. He then created his little triangles from it, what they call the Gartley, or what they call the Gartley 222 at the time. Okay. Scott Carney, who is a trader, was one of Larry's students, took it a lot further. Him and a gentleman, Bryce Gilmore, but Scott became the main guy in the industry. Scott's a very close friend of mine for many years. I've been learning from him since like 2001. He came out in 1999 with a book, in 2001, 2005. He came out with multiple books. And he created harmonic patterns, where it's now become the most recognizable pattern in the industry. You can literally go online, search harmonic patterns, like a million searches on it. Everybody loves it. What I was fortunate to do was to configure a platform to do the scans that's never been done before. No company's ever done it before. Nobody. It's too much money.
So this is proprietary.
It took 18 months just to get to 0.0.
Wow.
20,000 lines of code just to get to, yes, it's packed. That's why it's people love this product, because I teach you how to use it. And then now you can day and night, 24 hours a day, go in and extract money from the markets.
And I want to say something to the viewers, because even though it kind of looks like and we'll put up some pictures so you can see this, but even though it looks complicated, I sat here for 30, 40 minutes, and I got, okay, yeah. Now I understand what it was.
Watch this. So let's just say, watch this. Let's click here. You see the pattern?
Yep.
Click here. See the pattern?
Mm-hmm.
Click here. See the pattern?
I see it.
You see the pattern again? You getting the point?
I do, very much so.
Okay, after clicking through it a few times, your eyes are now starting to understand.
The high, the low.
And now we give you all the different ratios and where the point is and the turning points. It's so simple. So, even a caveman could do it. I had to say that. So anyway.
That's a trademark.
So the harmonic scanner, what's great about it is the harmonic scanner, we actually have it also, I'll give you an example. We actually have it, we have it on a desktop version. So that was a desktop version. That was a MetaTrader 4. And what about if you're traveling? I went to Beijing, China.
Right.
I'm in Beijing, China, in whatever square that was, looking at Mao Zedong's picture. And on my phone, I have my charts. Okay, I was showing somebody that our harmonic scanner can work anywhere in the world. It's absolutely so on your iPhone, on your iPad, on your Microsoft.
So I can be a blue collar worker, busting my butt, take my lunch break,
exactly,
and be checking.
Exactly.
Wow.
You know, you're the blue collar. You're a construction worker, and the boss says,
I'm still working for.
Go upstairs and carry the sheetrock. You're upstairs doing this.
Checking it out, seeing what it is.
Right. So we're able to trade and give people that learn and earn experience right on their phone, iPad, anywhere in the world. Our products are accessible on desktop, everything. It's all about the customer and making their life simpler. So now, number one was you put your money to work. Number two was you sit in a classroom environment. Number three, you have product that you can use. The next product is the IML Academy. IML Academy is a course that's always growing. We just added new videos, matter of fact. You have beginner. What's the history of Forex? What is Forex? Forex means you go from, here, I go from the United States to Europe. I'm going to buy the euro and sell the dollar, right? I'm going to give my dollar and buy the euro. Euro is going to cost me $1.10. For every dollar, I'm going to have to pay $1.10 for euro. So on 1,000 euro, it cost me 1,100 bucks. Period. That's foreign exchange. We actually make money on the different
as it goes movements. Or like you mentioned earlier, the British pound. They pull out of the EU.
Yes.
And all of a sudden, people were saying, "Oh my gosh, what's going to happen?"
Right. So that IML Academy brings you Troy Dooley, who doesn't know anything about Forex, from day one. What is Forex? What's the history? Tell me about it. We have a beginner course. Then we have an intermediate, multiple intermediate courses.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Oh, we have a ton of videos, like 40 videos. And then we have advanced courses. Then we have super advanced stuff that I've been doing for 20-something years.
Wow.
Then we have some of the mindset, which you saw some of my mindset work.
I did see that. That was pretty powerful.
So we do a lot of mindset work, positive energy. And look, network marketers and traders. You look at great companies like the Amways and Neriums and all these great companies, they have the best mindset work.
Very much so, without a doubt.
The same thing applies to traders. It's hard. Trading is hard. So where I kind of got my recognition in the trading side was, yeah, I was a great trader, made money, recognized, but also I was able to help people with these little 6 inches between their brain is understanding how to be successful with trading.
Right.
Because when you lose in trading, it's hard. But when you go and get rejected in network marketing, it's hard. Yeah. You talk to your friend and he says to you, you're in a pyramid, you're in this, you're in that, it's no good, get out. My friend was in that. That can dishearten somebody.
Sure can.
Same thing with trading. If you miss a trade or you lose, that can dishearten them. So the mindset work is the support below it. I've had people say to me, well, why would you talk about the mindset, positive energy, all that affirmation stuff. Why would you do that for trading? What's the relevance? It's the most important thing. Everybody, I can show you books, 500 books on the same thing. You only need one book, right? But where people are missing it is the mindset. If your mind is not right, if you're not completely focused, if you don't have the right energy, you're going to fail. I can show you 1,000 books, 2,000 books. You need one book. Look, the pattern goes down, it goes up, you sell it. But without the proper mindset, you can't be successful. Network marketing. Without having that inner confidence, that self-image, you can't be successful. How can somebody who is brand new, in their own careers, working at McDonald's or some company, and making 40, 30,000, trying to teach you how to become a millionaire? They have to believe it first. They have to see it before it is.
That's so true.
So it's important for both sides. So we're pretty strong on that mindset work also. We got other people in our company that just had come in, which is Alex.
Yeah.
Alex Morton, Executive Vice President of Sales, big into millionaire mindset. That was one of the things that I loved about him when we first sat down, was his mindset work.
Now that was, let's talk about that for a minute, because I called you and said, what the heck? He doesn't know anything about Forex. What's the deal? But yet I've seen him succeed over here in ways that I didn't think was imaginable.
You know, he originally came to the company, and look, whatever else is out there in the public, the guy is the most incredible individual out there. He didn't come into my company with any deals. There was no upfront money. He got a position as Executive Vice President of Sales. He's on corporate. He's supporting the field. He's supporting the team. He's supporting the corporate side. Change this, fix that. He's mindset work. He does masterminding every week. What he's done is he's come in, and we're doing okay. But he came in and he raised the bar. You know, rising tides raise all ships.
This is true. Yeah.
He literally has come in and just raised it up. Where now you got major professionals from the network marketing arena calling our company, looking at it, and I've been meeting with them. Guys that are on just.
Then it's a good. Your
synergist. Just he's amazing.
So his strength, which was network marketing,
and
your
mindset
strength and mindset. Your strength is Forex and mindset.
Yes.
So you've blended those two together. Okay.
Yes, and he's come in with some phenomenal ideas. We've been implementing and changing and evolving, but he's one of the most incredible individuals on the planet. I've 26 going on 27. I'm going to be 51 in a week, or 2 weeks or whatever. I'm 35. But the point is, he's half my age and has 2 times the experience in my eyes.
Amazing, man.
And his father, I met his father, absolutely pure class act family. And we're brothers, you know?
I like that, because
we're brothers.
I was concerned. It's like, wait a minute, he's a networker. What?
Exactly. He just saw what we're doing, but what really got him was, he brought it to a group of his guys, you know, his key leaders, and said, listen, try this.
You need to look at what iMarketsLive has to offer. Are they the only company out there? No. But they're one that, as a client, we have really appreciated the fact they call, they listen. Their executives are constantly texting and calling, hey, can you edit this? Can I say this? How should we play this? What should we do? I love that. We don't always see eye to eye. We've had some heavy-duty debates. But at the end of the day, as I've laid out the argument of why you need to tweak this or tweak that, as they've listened to their law firms and their attorneys tell them what they should or shouldn't do, at the end of the day, Christopher Terry and his executive team have said, okay, whatever it takes to protect our field force of independent sales reps and our customers who believe in our services. That's the key. That's what I love about these guys. You need to be checking them out. We're seeing this trend. Started last year. Cryptocurrencies, educational systems. It's a tricky market. Some companies have made the changes. They're very legit. Other companies are still focused 100% on the income opportunity. When we actually look, there's no customers that are asked for. There's nothing. Everything's an internal consumption. In some cases, we've even got to question the business model in some of the crypto side of things. So stay tuned. Watch what we've got. We're going to be covering everybody. I just wanted to get one out there for one of our clients who I think is doing a phenomenal job. Live life like it's an epic adventure. Stay dangerous. Stay strong. And if you're in a home-based business, act like it.